It's not done.
All right, guys. I've got the girls in the Narx cart. We've cut the roof off, obviously, as you've seen in other videos. But we're fixing to put the new wheels and tires on, so I wanted to take them for a ride down the road and let them help us. All right, guys, if it's the first time for you to see the Narx cart, we have taken an 03 Grand Marquis and we have cut the roof off of it, pulled the doors off, and we're gonna build a full cage. And then once the channel hits 1 million video views, you can find that in the About section of the YouTube channel. We're gonna give this car away. So once everything is done and ready, it's going to a lucky winner. All right, girls, what do you think?
My hair is flying up. It is cold.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yep. All right, we're gonna get back here and throw these new wheels and tires on that were donated by TNT Customs, by Mr. Tim James. You've seen him a bunch on the channel lately, so let's get back here and do that. All right, so we're fixing change to the new wheels. As soon as you get the center caps popped off, girls, we're gonna need you to take the lug nuts off. You're gonna push the lever down like that. There you go.
This? What?
Like this, and push down. See?
Sit on it.
Yep.
I can't.
Oh, the light's going.
All right, guys, sorry about that. Camera died while we were putting the wheels on, so here you go. Here is the big reveal. Boom. Look at those things. Look at the stance it gives the front. Definitely fills the wheel well out a lot more. Now, I don't know if these wheels will be the ones that come on it with the giveaway. We may have some others on there by then. Who knows? We got plenty of time. But the one way to make sure that you are entered to win this is to subscribe here on the channel, and then also follow us on Instagram, because Instagram allows us to get everybody's screen name and things like that. So, all right, Narx cart. Follow us everywhere. Thanks.